There's no reason that only 2 weeks after he died, I got the first recall. They knew about it.
Their stories of loss have been broadcast internationally.
GM needs to be held accountable for their actions.
Now GM says it will make amends. It's hired Kenneth Feinberg to decide on the price of a life. He oversaw the claims of 9/11 victims in a process that saw bankers receive more money than waiters based on earning potential. And he was paid millions by BP to settle claims following the Deepwater Horizon oil disaster, amid much criticism that he was shielding the oil company. GM acknowledges 13 deaths and 47 accidents related to the ignition switch fault that cut the vehicle's power and disabled its airbags. But independent audits of federal data show 309 deaths due to airbags not deploying, with another 229 injured. And it's not clear if Feinberg will limit GM's liability to airbag deployment, or also include loss of control due to power steering and brake assist failure. That would hugely increase the number of potential claimants. There's also the economic loss claimed by owners of the millions of recalled cars. But financial analysts don't seem too troubled, confident that only a fraction of GM's reserve funds of $33 billion will be used. Even the prospect of a Department of Justice fine is shrugged off, given the billions spent by the government rescuing the company.
You've also got a lot of politics here, in that the U.S. government spent $50 billion saving this company. They're not going to do something, in my opinion, to then severely damage it. It just doesn't make sense.
GM hopes victims will accept a quick payout and not challenge its contention that it's not legally liable for incidents that occurred before its restructuring in 2009.
Our daughters, sons, sisters, brothers, mothers, fathers, wives, and husbands are gone because they were a cost of doing business, GM's style.
But Feinberg will have to make a convincing case on Monday for potential plaintiffs not to use the formidable groups of lawyers they've already hired, who in the past have successfully secured billions of dollars from big tobacco and other car manufacturers. Shihab Rattansi, Al Jazeera, Washington.